I'm Jude Spencer alongside Gray Bobian, and this is Cougar Nation News.
We officially have a new date for our Midnight Madness Dodgeball Tournament. It's rescheduled for Saturday, April 30th at 4 p.m. If you want to add a team, go to Ms. Howington or a youth leadership member. And a reminder, every player must pay $5 or your team will not participate. If your team has not paid, please have the money turned in by April 30th. And spectator fees will be $7.
The DCHS Winter Guard competed this past Saturday at the Southeastern Regional Color Guard Circuit in Columbia, Tennessee. The Guard took home a 12th place in novice class. Congratulations to Coach Savannah Lindsay and her unit on an amazing winter season.
The spring musical is this week. Join us for Monty Python's Spam-A-Lot. Whether you're a fan of Monty Python or new to this great British comedy, join us for a great night of laughs. Spam-A-Lot will run this Thursday, Friday, and Saturday nights at 7 p.m. Tickets are $15 at the door or $12 in advance, and they'll be sold every day this week at lunch. And stay tuned for the end of the show for an interview with some of our drama club members for more info.
The DCHS men's soccer team took home a district rival win against Kenwood 4-2. Carl Peach netted 3 goals for a hat trick, along with 1 goal from Ethan Barnes. Drew Cavley also contributed on the offensive end with 2 assists.
And in tennis, the team traveled to face off against Northeast on Monday, where both the boys and girls squads secured convincing victories. And on Tuesday, they played Clarksville High School. The girls came up short, but thanks to a dramatic doubles win in extra sets from Jude Spencer and Grayson Barrett, the boys team remains undefeated this year. The 2 teams will play Northwest on Thursday.
To add to what has been a great week for Cougar athletes, the softball team hosted Independence and took home the 5-2 comeback win. The winning pitch of the game was thrown by Alexia Hoskins.
And in the news this week, in case you've been living under a rock, Will Smith slapped Chris Rock at the Oscars, but I bet you haven't seen it in super slow motion. Enjoy. And now we're going to close out today's show with an interview with the cast and crew of Spam-A-Lot. Hello, my name is Gray Bobian, and I'm here in the studio with some of the officers for the drama club, and they're here to talk about the upcoming production of Monty Python's Spam-A-Lot. So if you would introduce yourself, tell us about your role in the club, and then your favorite scene or song from the production.
My name is Levi Sutherland. I am the president of the club this year and one of the assistant directors for the show. My favorite scene is probably the French Tawdry scene.
I'm Piper Lyons. I'm the historian for the club, and I play Lady of the Lake in Spam-A-Lot. My favorite scene's probably my solo song. I think it's really fun to do it on stage.
I'm Mackenzie Dodson. I'm secretary for Drama Club, and I'm also assistant director. One of my favorite songs is probably You Won't Succeed in Showbiz because I really like the Broadway references it has.
All right, and so several of you mentioned your favorite song in the show. So obviously, earlier in the fall, you guys had a dramatic production, and now you're going with the musical. So could you tell us about some of the challenges of doing a play with music?
So, of course, the musical has singing, unlike a play, but it also has dancing. So we're adding, besides the acting, we're adding on music, singing, and choreography, so it takes so much longer and so much more dedication and so much more practice than your typical play like Clue that we did in the fall.
And some people may be familiar with Monty Python's Spam-A-Lot, but I think most probably aren't. So could you tell us, what the premise is, or give us a quick synopsis of what we can expect?
Monty Python's Spam-A-Lot is based off of Mighty Python and the Holy Grail, which is like a cult classic movie. Basically, it's like a dramatic telling of King Arthur and the Knights of the Round Table.
All right, and where can we get tickets, and when's the show?
The show is this coming Thursday, Friday, and Saturday at 7 p.m. Tickets will be on sale at lunch for $12 and $15 at the door.
All right, thanks for coming on the show, guys, and we can't wait to see it.